Meaning of femme.
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 Femme. Femme is a French word that translates to woman or female in English. However, the term has also been adopted within the LGBTQ+ community to describe a specific type of feminine-presenting lesbian or queer woman. A femme person typically presents as traditionally feminine in their appearance and style, but their identity and sexual orientation may not conform to societal norms. The term is often used as an act of empowerment and visibility for those who identify as femme within the LGBTQ+ community.